Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix NAT type failed on PS5 and PS4 network connection troubleshooting. Fix 1. Restart your console and router. Turn off your PS5 or PS4 completely, then unplug your Wi-Fi router and modem from power. Then wait about 60 seconds. Plug the modem and router back in. Wait until all internet light blinks or becomes stable. Turn on your PlayStation and test the network connection again. Second fix is check your internet connection. Connect another device to the same network, then open a website or stream a video. If the internet is down, restart your modem or contact your ISP, then run setting, network test internet connection on your PlayStation. Third one is set a static IP address. Go to settings, then network, then set up internet connection. Choose your network, then select advanced settings. Set IP address setting to manual. Enter an unused IP address that matches your router network. Save the settings. Fourth one is change the DNS server. Go to setting, then network, then set up internet connection. Open advanced setting, set DNS settings to manual. Step 4. Enter primary DNS 8.8.8.8, then secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. Save the setting and test the connection. Fifth one is use a wired Ethernet connection. Connect an Ethernet cable from the router to your PlayStation, then go to setting, then network, then set up internet connection. Choose setup wired LAN. Test the internet connection again. Thanks for watching.